The urban poor settlements of Johar in Ward number 62, Jaipur. In the absence of basic sanitation infrastructure, people defecated in the open.
सीढ़ी रहना गंदा पानी होता है टॉयलेट का, तो वो पानी निकल के बाहर निकलता रहता था, तो हम उसी गंदगी में निकलते थे, आना जाना होता रहता था। सड़कें नहीं थी, हमारे सड़कें भी बनी हुई नहीं थी।
The Jaipur Municipal Corporation, tasked with eliminating open defecation in the city, had received guidelines to provide sanitation services to the urban poor. But the dense population, narrow lanes and hilly terrain in the area posed a challenge. The corporation did not know how to reach out to the community and to enlist public support for its schemes. 1,200 people had taken the first installment of toilet subsidy in 2016 but had not built toilets. The corporation turned to CFAR, an NGO that had achieved success at the nearby Jalana Kunda settlement in Ward number 51 by making it free of open defecation. The corporation had adopted the 1,000-odd houses there as a learning site. When CFAR began its work at Jalana Kunda in 2012, 75% of the people defecated in the open. Women were the worst affected. Maya recalls how an exposure visit to rural Bikaner, organized by CFAR under the then Total Sanitation campaign, introduced her to low-cost twin-pit toilets.
वहाँ पे देख के आने के बाद मेरे घर में भी शौचालय नहीं था, तो मैं अपने घर में बनाई सबसे पहले। फिर मेरे घर में बनाने के बाद बाकी और लोगों ने बनाए।
Now every house has a toilet in Jalana Kunda. A women's forum and a community-based organization had emerged. A number of women were trained as masons and took their learning to other settlements. The corporation wanted this model at the settlement level to be replicated at the ward level.
And that's where our experiment in the earlier part of Jaipur helped. They poured in hordes to these places and spoke to them one-on-one, and said, this is going to be a terrible problem for you. You can't leave your pits like this. You can't do this kind of open defecation. You're putting yourself at high risk. And they took them to where they were, showed them what they had done.
It led to an audit of 4,000 households, providing critical data about the status of each and every toilet in the area. To bring the program to scale, in August 2017, a single window was set up in Ward number 62 by CFAR in collaboration with the Jaipur Municipal Corporation. The single window was led by the community. Members went to each house that had received a toilet subsidy from the corporation to motivate the family to build a toilet. Women from the Johar community slowly began to engage with the single window. Initially, the queries related to social security schemes like old age or disability pension, labour card and Aadhaar card. The single window was responsive and provided assistance in accessing the schemes. The next step was creating awareness about sanitation and the need for better services.
वहाँ पे जानकारी मिली कि भाई वहाँ पे जो भी अपनी बस्ती की समस्या है, अगर आप लोग खुद सपोर्ट करोगे और हम महिलाएं अपनी आवाज़ उठाएंगी तो आगे तक धीरे धीरे उसका बदलाव आएगा और काम भी होगा.
The community's role was seen in not just raising a demand for better services, but in securing and managing the services. Community management committees were set up at the settlement level. They played a strong role in mobilizing the community and exerting pressure on the government to deliver services in a systematic manner. Thrice a month, a junior engineer meets representatives from each settlement at the single window.
स्कूल के बच्चे जाते हैं ना, उधर तो उधर पानी भरा रहता है. हमारे नालियों का कचरा बाहर निकाल के सफाई होए तो अच्छा रहे.
जूनियर इंजीनियर फिर साइट विजिट करते हैं कम्युनिटी फोरम मेंबर्स के साथ में, तो फोरम मेंबर्स उनको बताते हैं कि यहाँ से ब्लॉक है, इसका समाधान क्या है, तो ऑन स्पॉट उसका समाधान भी फाइंड आउट किया जाता है और जो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है उनको डिसाइड किया जाता है कि ठीक है, सिंगल सीवर लाइन ब्लॉक है कल गाड़ी आएगी, कल सीवर लाइन साफ करने के लिए कर्मचारी आएंगे।
पानी जैसे अच्छा आ रहा है तो हम ग्रीन देते थे उसको।
A daily tracking tool was developed not only to track the delivery of each service, but to see whether the community had used it properly.
फीडबैक मिला हमें बहुत बड़ा। डे टू डे उन्होंने चार्ट जो बनाया ना, उससे हमको पता चला कि यहाँ प्रॉब्लम ज़्यादा है।
The tracking tool also helped the corporation to monitor frontline workers.
अब जागरूकता आ गई ना, तो ये चाहते हैं कि हमारे यहाँ डेली सफाई रहे। जब ये पर्सनल फ़ोन करते हैं या पर्सनल हमें बुलाते हैं तो हमें तुरंत आना पड़ता है।
Vimla Kumari, nominated as a point person by the corporation, supports officials and functionaries from the department.
वो सीवर जाम हो जाती तो भी बुला लें, काम फोन के साथ ही हो जाता मैडम, नहीं तो ऐसे तो 10 चक्कर काटे तो भी काम नहीं होता था। और हम जानते ही नहीं निगम कहाँ है और अधिकारी कौन होते, हिम्मत ही नहीं थी बात करने की। अभी तो अधिकारी हमारा हाथ मिलाता है, हम अधिकारी से हाथ मिलाते हैं।
2 साल होते हैं हमारे को आते हुए। पहले आदमी ऐसे कहते थे मार के क्या तनका मलते है जो वहाँ जाती है, लड़ते थे, और अब तो है ना खुद ही बोल देते हैं अग जाओ।
In the Johanagar area, laying of sewer lines was not possible. The emphasis was on fecal sludge management, as lack of space did not allow for twin pit toilets. However, residents who had single pit toilets had not emptied out the pits in over 10 years. The depth of the pit had reduced and toilets overflowed in a couple of months. Private desludging operators charged over 2,000 rupees that they could not afford. At one of the single-window forum meetings, the corporation offered a government desludging operator that could be coordinated by the single window.
हमारे निगम से हम 500 रुपये में दे देंगे। हम मतलब हो सकता है निगम से हमारे इतने संसाधन नहीं कि सबको दे दें, तो 300-400 रुपये में मतलब 3-4 घर का दे दें, उसको 200 रुपये पड़ता था।
Today the government vehicles come in and it's all co-managed. The minute you ingrain everything, you give them the capacity, you provide them the service, you create what is called a system, it will only be going from strength to strength.
Point persons negotiated with private desludging operators to get better rates for group desludging. The point persons also ensure that all operators dump the fecal sludge in designated areas. For houses in the back lanes that the desludging operators cannot reach, a plan for residents to own and manage a pump jointly is underway.
They are actual last mile providers and last mile mediators and planners.
Awareness has also been created on the need to reduce waste at the household level and make compost.
अब हम इसको ये दूसरा महीना हो गया, अब 1 महीना पूरा हो गया इसको।
The community management committees have been linked with the National Urban Livelihood Mission so that sanitation-based activities can offer a livelihood. For instance, for masons and those working on sanitary napkins.
It was an eye-opener for me. They brought us closer to the community. If I speak about various programs that we at the government level were running, and the beneficiaries, the number of beneficiaries that we could reach out, CFAR provided us a great platform.
The single window platform bridged the gap between the community and the government, strengthening both. It set up a system of management of services by the community, a system of coordination that is effective and sustainable.
इनको यहाँ आने से हमारे सीवर लाइन भी डली, जंगल जाना बंद हुआ और हमारी नालियाँ पक्की हो गई, अंडरग्राउंड तो बहुत अच्छी साफ सफाई रहने लग गई।
मेरे हिसाब से सिंगल विंडो सिस्टम हर स्लम्स में होना चाहिए।